Hello guys, once again I'm back on Hack Idea and Trick with Speedy Hit number 20. Today I'm sharing very unique idea to make diya or lamp using orange. So for that you would need any orange. So here comes the orange. Next, we would need any knife, and with the help of knife, we have to slice or cut just the peel of orange very carefully. We have to cut the peel exactly in same manner as I am showing here. Once the cut is made, take help of a spoon. With the help of spoon, separate peel from pulp. This needs little bit of patience, but don't worry, it's easy. Just keep on trying and you will get it. Once you feel that the spoon runs freely, try to take out the orange cover. Now there is two cover, the upper section and the lower section. You have to take out both the covers separately. It is my experience that out of the two layers, one comes out with a hole and other without a hole. Now the layer without a hole can be filled out with oil. If needed, you can add little bit few drops of essential oil. Once you have added oil, add cotton wick as well. Let the cotton soak oil properly, and in the meanwhile, take upper cover and show your creativity. As you know that the upper layer is already having hole, we cannot make lamp or candle or diya with it. So just make some sort of cut work design in it, and you will be good to go. Light the diya and cover it with cutwork cover. It can be used as decorative piece in special occasions, festivals. What I have experienced is it stays active at least for an hour or two. But be careful with upper cover. I have noticed it starts changing its color because of the heat which directly contact the upper layer. Maybe while doing a cutout, you can remove the upper layer completely. Do try this technique and let me know if it works for you as well. I really enjoyed this trick. I hope it will give you the same sort of enjoyment while you are doing this DIY at home. Lastly, thank you guys for making this family strong every day. You guys are the motivation which helps me to bring new ideas which is unique in nature and can definitely add value to your day-to-day life. I'll be back with something new on Speedy Hit on your channel Hack Idea Trick. Thank you. Take care. Bye.